Hey there, welcome back to FinanceTechTopia. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also interested in making money online through cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrency has been a hot topic for years now, but the trends are constantly evolving. In 2024, we're witnessing some exciting developments that could revolutionize the way we think about investing in digital assets. Trend number 1: ENFs and the metaverse. Non-fungible tokens, or ENFs, have taken the world by storm, offering unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on various platforms. But what's even more intriguing is their potential within the metaverse. Imagine owning virtual real estate, digital art, or even exclusive experiences within a virtual world. That's the promise of ENFs in the metaverse. And savvy investors are already capitalizing on this trend, snatching up valuable digital assets before they skyrocket in value. Trend number 2: decentralized finance, or DeFi. While traditional finance relies on centralized institutions like banks and governments, DeFi aims to disrupt the status quo by offering financial services on decentralized platforms built on blockchain technology. With DeFi, you can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on your crypto assets without relying on intermediaries. It's like traditional finance, but without the barriers and limitations imposed by centralized authorities. Trend number 3: sustainability and green crypto. As concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining continue to grow, investors are turning their attention to eco-friendly alternatives. Green cryptocurrencies are gaining momentum, offering innovative solutions to reduce carbon emissions and promote environmental sustainability. Investing in these projects not only aligns with ethical values, but also positions you for potential long-term gains as the world shifts towards a greener economy. And there you have it, folks. The top cryptocurrency trends of 2024 that you should keep an eye on. Whether it's ENFs and the metaverse, DeFi, or sustainable crypto projects, there are plenty of opportunities to make money in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to FinanceTechTopia. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.